Hello and welcome to Lothmann, Werkzeugtechnik GmbH und Co. KG in Ludwigsburg. Since 1987, we have been specialists in the construction of custom tools made to order for our customer. Our tools combine drilling, countersinking, chamfering, diameter turning and reverse countersinking for customers in Germany and worldwide. Our core competencies include harnessing computer-aided manufacturing processes to professionally produce and digitally design in-house developed step drills equipped with ISO indexable insert. As well as this, we manufacture various custom builds such as bell tools, solid drills and step countersink tools, which enable precision bores in the hydraulic, supplier and automotive industries. Our promise to you, all made-to-order custom tools will be delivered within 3 weeks. We guarantee absolute functionality and precision, on the one hand, through our functional guarantee and, on the other, through the final 100% dimensional check, which we subject all our tools to. And as made-to-order custom tools have to be designed precisely, we take our time with our customers and are happy to advise them on innovative tool solutions and bespoke manufacturing. Naturally, we are certified according to DIN ISO 9001-2015 in order to ensure we always achieve the highest level of quality. Trust the precision work of experts for special solutions and help us optimize our tool manufacturing in the process. We're only satisfied if you are.